Venus, our celestial neighbor shrouded in mystery and veiled by thick clouds. From Earth she shines bright, a beacon in the evening sky. The Romans named her for their goddess of love and beauty. But don't be fooled by her alluring appearance. Venus harbors a dark secret, a truth far more extreme than her namesake might suggest. Beneath that swirling pearlescent veil lies a world of intense heat and crushing pressure. Temperatures on Venus can melt lead. The atmosphere, a dense cocktail of carbon dioxide, traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Venus is a planet of extremes, a stark reminder that beauty can sometimes conceal a perilous reality. Imagine standing on the surface of Venus. The air is heavy, thick as molasses, making every breath a struggle. The ground beneath your feet glows with an infernal heat. The pressure, equivalent to being thousands of feet beneath the ocean's surface, threatens to crush you. This is Venus, our sister planet. And yet, despite this seemingly inhospitable environment, scientists are beginning to ask a tantalizing question. Could life in some form exist on this scorching world? The surface of Venus is a wasteland. Volcanoes, some potentially still active, scar the landscape. Vast plains of solidified lava stretch towards the horizon. Craters, evidence of past impacts, dot the surface. This is not a world that readily welcomes life as we know it. The extreme heat would quickly denature proteins, the building blocks of life. The atmospheric pressure would crush even the most resilient organisms. And the lack of liquid water, so essential for life on Earth, seems to seal Venus's fate as a barren world. But scientists are a curious bunch. They look beyond the obvious, seeking answers in the most unexpected places. And on Venus, that unexpected place lies high above the searing surface in the planet's upper atmosphere. Here, in this seemingly more hospitable region, temperatures are cooler, and the pressure is less intense. Could this be the key to unlocking Venus's potential for life? A glimmer of hope. As we ascend through Venus's atmosphere, a curious transformation takes place. The temperature drops, becoming more temperate. The pressure eases, no longer threatening to crush. And at a certain altitude, we encounter a layer of clouds, not made of water vapor like those on Earth, but of sulfuric acid. These clouds, while corrosive to our understanding of life, could potentially harbor microscopic life forms. Scientists theorize that these hypothetical organisms might be similar to extremophiles on Earth, creatures that thrive in environments toxic to most other life. These Venusian extremophiles, if they exist, would need to be incredibly resilient, able to withstand the high levels of ultraviolet radiation that bombard the planet's upper atmosphere. They would also need to be adapted to the acidic environment of the clouds. While this is still a hypothesis, it's a tantalizing one. The possibility of life existing in such an extreme environment challenges our understanding of what life is and where it can exist. It opens up a universe of possibilities, suggesting that life might be more common and more tenacious than we ever imagined. Our fascination with Venus is not new. For centuries, humans have gazed at this celestial neighbor, weaving tales of her beauty and mystery. But it wasn't until the dawn of the space age that we truly began to unravel her secrets. In the 1960s, both the United States and the Soviet Union launched a series of missions to Venus. These early probes, often ill-fated, taught us valuable lessons about the challenges of reaching this hostile world. The Soviet Union in particular became obsessed with Venus. Their Venera program, a testament to their engineering prowess, achieved a series of remarkable firsts. They were the first to enter Venus's atmosphere, the first to land a spacecraft on its surface, and the first to return images from this alien world. These early missions, while rudimentary by today's standards, paved the way for a deeper understanding of Venus, revealing her to be a world of both wonder and terror. Section 5. Venera touching the face of Venus. The Venera missions were a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. These spacecraft, designed to withstand the crushing pressure and searing heat of Venus's surface, provided us with our first glimpses of this alien world. Venera 9 and 10, in 1975, sent back the first black and white images from the surface of another planet. The images, grainy and surreal, showed a rocky, desolate landscape, hinting at the extreme conditions below. Later, Venera missions, equipped with more sophisticated cameras, returned color images, revealing a world bathed in an eerie orange glow. These images, beamed back across millions of miles of space, captivated the world, igniting our imaginations and fueling our desire to learn more. The Venera program, though ultimately discontinued, left an indelible mark on our understanding of Venus. These missions, pioneers in planetary exploration, laid the groundwork for future missions and inspired generations of scientists and engineers. Section 6, Da Vinci Plus and Veritas Unlocking Venus's Secrets. The quest to understand Venus continues. NASA, building on the legacy of the Venera program, is preparing to launch 2 new missions to this enigmatic world, Da Vinci Plus and Veritas. Da Vinci Plus, short for Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry and Imaging, will plunge through Venus's atmosphere, sampling its composition and studying its dynamics. It will also attempt to take high-resolution images of the surface, providing unprecedented detail of this alien landscape. Veritas, the Venus Emissivity, Radio Science, INSAR, Topography and Spectroscopy mission, will orbit Venus using radar to peer beneath its thick clouds. This mission will create detailed maps of the planet's surface, revealing its geological history and searching for clues about its past. These missions, equipped with cutting-edge technology, promise to revolutionize our understanding of Venus. They will shed light on its climate, its geology, and its potential for life. Section 7. The potential of life on Venus. A paradigm shift. The discovery of life on Venus, even microbial life, would be a paradigm shift in our understanding of the universe. It would demonstrate that life is not a fluke confined to a narrow band around a single star. It would suggest that life is tenacious, able to take hold in the most extreme environments. It would open up the possibility that life might exist on other worlds in our solar system and beyond, perhaps even on planets we once thought were completely inhospitable. The implications of such a discovery are profound. It would force us to reassess our place in the cosmos, to acknowledge that we are not alone, and to confront the possibility that life elsewhere might be vastly different from our own. The search for life beyond Earth is a search for ourselves, a quest to understand our origins and our place in the universe. And Venus, our enigmatic sister planet, may hold the key to unlocking some of the universe's greatest secrets. Section 8. Life as we don't know it, expanding our horizons. We are often limited by our own experiences, by what we know and what we can imagine. We tend to define life based on what we observe on Earth, on the familiar building blocks of carbon, water, and DNA. But what if life elsewhere has found different solutions, different pathways to existence? What if life on Venus, if it exists, is based on a completely different biochemistry, one that doesn't rely on water or even carbon? The possibility of life as we don't know it is both exhilarating and daunting. It challenges our preconceived notions, forcing us to expand our definition of life and to consider possibilities that we might have dismissed as science fiction. The search for life beyond Earth is a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, that our current understanding is limited, and that we must always be open to the possibility of the unknown. Section 9. The importance of exploration, seeking answers in the cosmos. The human spirit is driven by curiosity, by a thirst for knowledge, and a desire to explore the unknown. We are explorers at heart, constantly seeking to push the boundaries of our understanding and to venture into uncharted territory. Space exploration is the ultimate expression of this spirit. It is a testament to our ingenuity, our courage, and our unwavering belief in the power of discovery. Every mission we launch, every probe we send into the void, brings us one step closer to answering some of humanity's most fundamental questions. Where did we come from? Are we alone? What is our place in the universe? The answers to these questions lie out there, waiting to be discovered. It is up to us to continue exploring, to keep asking questions, and to never stop searching for knowledge. Section 10. Venus, a mirror to our own planet. Venus, for all her extremes, can teach us valuable lessons about our own planet. Her runaway greenhouse effect is a stark warning of what can happen when certain gases build up in a planet's atmosphere. By studying Venus, we gain a better understanding of the delicate balance that governs Earth's climate, and the factors that can disrupt this balance. We learn about the importance of protecting our atmosphere, and the potential consequences of unchecked climate change. Venus, a cautionary tale, reminds us that we must be good stewards of our own planet, for it is the only home we know. Section 11. Keep looking up. The universe is full of surprises. The universe is vast and mysterious, full of wonders yet to be discovered. We are just beginning to scratch the surface of its secrets, to glimpse the true extent of its diversity and complexity. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, we must keep an open mind, for the universe is full of surprises. We must be prepared to challenge our assumptions, to embrace the unknown, and to marvel at the sheer beauty and strangeness of the cosmos. So keep looking up at the stars, and never stop asking questions. The universe is waiting to be explored.